Hey guys, this is Carla Cooper, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to use Jstor. This is a very popular search tool engine website where you can find journals, primary sources, and books on various topics. This is great if you want to do research papers, and there's a plethora of available sources, and it's so easy to narrow them down so that you're not so overwhelmed. Because I know for me, if I see that there's like 1,000 sources I can choose from, I get a little overwhelmed. So I'm showing you kind of how to narrow it down and to find sources that really work with your topic and that will help you write effective research papers and just help you at your time at Wake Forest and beyond. So today, I think what I want to search will be gun violence and mental health. That's like been a big issue in society today. So I'm pretty sure there is a lot of information about gun violence and kind of mental health. I kind of want to see the relationship between it. So what we're going to type in, let's do gun violence and mental health. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to narrow it down to journals. And also, let's do it just in America. And then I think that's it. So now we're at 4,086 results, which I think is really nice because we had a slew when we first began. So now I see a journal article about the impact of gun control and gun ownership levels and violence rates. There's another one, missing the mark, gun control is not a cure for what ails the U.S. mental health system, the cost of gun violence against children, the health and human rights of survivors of gun violence, children, youth, and gun violence. So as you can tell, this is a really broad one. We're focusing more just on gun violence in general, but also we want to focus on mental health, which is why we are going to use a more advanced search now, so that we can really narrow this down. So the great thing about this is you have the type of article it is, the name, the contributors, you have various topics that relate to it. So if you do want to research, maybe let's say gun control and sexual violence or something like that, you have more topics that are explored within this article. And through that, you can kind of see, okay, will this article kind of focus on what I really want to get out of this to help write my research paper. So then also there's a citation, and you can copy citations. There's MLA, APA in Chicago, and how perfect is that? So next thing we're going to do is use the advanced search. So let's do gun violence. We're going to do America, mental health, and I think that is it. So let's search. Let's see what else we're finding. So we're finding the health and human rights of survivors in gun violence. The role of media in gun violence. Let's see. Let's go back to advanced search. So I'm going to do gun violence and mental health. We're going to do America. Violence and mental health. Perfect. The impact of gun control and gun ownership levels. So it seems now that we put gun violence and mental health together and then put it down to America. And then also we can add some more. So we have gun violence and mental health, America. And let's add prevalence, the disadvantage. And we're going to search. So this pulls up a lot of great sources that can really help explore the association between mental health and gun violence here in America. As I said before, there's citations. We can modify even that down to journals if you want to do books, research reports, pamphlets. So this is a great site to use, and they have publication dates. So I hope you guys have learned a lot from this, and happy researching.